How much does JBravo make on YouTube? So before heading on their analytics of YouTube channel, let's share you some information about how do YouTubers get paid. So the first thing is by placing more ads. So more ads means more money. The second way is through the CPM, which is mean by cost per thousand views. And the third is YouTube also takes 45% of your ad revenue from the advertising you do on your channel. Now let's go over to Bravo channel analytics. So his total subscribers is 113K. The total videos is 535. Total views 15 million. So now for the monthly subscriber, it is 6,000 and the monthly view is 1.6 million, from which his monthly income is 1.6 million views into 0.004, which is equals to $6,400, and his yearly income is $6,400 into 12, which is equals to 7 to $6,800. So that's what J Bravo Mac on the YouTube channel. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.